You know, I'm not being funny. Now, this is not the intro. You're going to see the intro in a second. But I filmed this video on this really cool tip or trick that creates a narrow looking nose. But it just didn't work. It does not transcend on video. For whatever reason, it's not working. I edited the video and then I looked at it and I was like, nothing happened. There's like no demonstration. It was like nothing, applying nothing. And that's what you're going to get in this video, because I'm not going to give you another one. I'm going to literally show you the world's most useless makeup tip for slimming your nose, because it's useless. However, give it a go anyway and see in real life if it works for you, because for some people it really works. For me in this video, not only did it not work, it didn't transcend at all on video. Nothing. So good luck and have some fun. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hey everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to slim down the look of your nose without using contouring, sicker contouring. So let's make a start. First thing you're going to need is a concealer and a brush. Make sure it's one of my brushes. Oh, you know what you're getting. You're getting class. Class. So take your concealer and you want to start right here at the bridge of your nose. So right here, and make sure that as you're applying the concealer you're feathering it down so that it's joining the inner corner of the eyes, because that way you're going to brighten up this area, but also it's going to be connecting, right, so that you've not just got this kind of lighter stripe. And right here along the bridge is where you want to highlight. Now, I don't know if you can see that in the video. I hope so. I'll know when I'm editing. But when I'm looking at my face profile straight on, this whole area here looks really streamlined. Now, this look suits a lot of people. It won't suit every single face shape or nose shape, but it's a really good, fun way, and it's easy to do because you're just highlighting or applying concealer just to this region, and I'm just going to kind of feather it just a little bit so that the join is not quite so harsh. But we're not drawing a line just directly down the nose. And you can also, with your same concealer, just kind of feather a little bit here at the sides of the nose, and where you're highlighting just the sides, it creates more of a shadow here, so it gives you the illusion of a slimmer nose. Generally speaking, I don't prefer to have, this part of my nose is quite narrow anyway. If anything, I need to bring things out. But this is a really cool way for those that don't want to just draw lines down. You can create the illusion of a narrower nose by highlighting here and just lightly highlighting the sides and not going up here, just keeping it nice and light. I hope you can see that. Can you see that? I guess I'll put a little text if you can see that. Can you see that? I can't see anything. The mirror's there. It's like a mile away. I don't know what you can see. Oh, hello. Looks delicious from where I'm looking. Who knows, but that's your quick tip. That's all you're getting today, because I haven't got anything else prepared. That's all you're getting. See you next time. Bye-bye. And then just bring the concealer down, just so that it's, this ridge is the lighter point. That looks great.